Three sheets as cast-finished concrete, which not only restores the original style of concrete, but also has the excellent performance of moisture-proof and mildew-proof. It has a strong plasticity and tolerance, and is able to create rich and diverse artistic effects. The following is a detailed introduction to the construction process of three sheets as cast-finished concrete art paint 轻晕 effect. The following is a coating structure of three sheets as cast-finished concrete art paint 轻晕 effect. The main tools to be prepared include stainless steel elastic art batch knife, mixer, short hair roller brush. The first step, base layer treatment. Before construction, please confirm that the base layer must be dry, firm, and level. Polishing can be applied to remove dust in advance. The second step, rolling the primer. Use three sheets as cast-finished concrete art paint special coloring agent SYG502 for the roller coating primer. And add 10 to 20% water in an appropriate amount. Use a short hair roller brush to apply the primer once. The dosage is 0.12 kilograms per square meter. The third step, the first time to approve as cast-finished concrete art paint. Choose three sheets art paint special toner and art paint powder and mix them evenly in proportion. Add appropriate amount of water and stir evenly with the mixer. Use the stainless steel micro-elastic art batching knife to batch the art paint for the first time. Pay attention to the batching evenly and wait for it to dry. The fourth step, the second time to approve as cast-finished concrete art paint. Use stainless steel micro-elastic art batch knife to approve art paint for the second time. When it's 80% dry, flatten the polished surface with a batch knife. Step 5. Roll coating or spray top coat. Mix three sheets as cast-finished concrete art paint special cover SYG003M with about 5% water. Use the short hair roller brush to roll or spray 1 to 2 times of overcoat varnish. Review of construction key points. Toning powder and out paint powder are mixed thoroughly first, then add water and stir. It needs to be batched twice until the surface is smooth and fine. Pay attention to the corners. Notice waste accumulation. The construction personnel must cooperate with each other, and one wall must be completed in whole.